What is good, everyone? Tristan here with a new angle. I've been thinking of doing a POV series for a little bit now, and what better way to start that off with some POV smash burgers? Specifically patty melts. I'm not too sure why hamburgers are called patty melts without a bun, but yeah. Oh, and if anyone is like concerned about this spot on my Blackstone, it's still nonstick. I take pretty good measures to prevent that. This is a little clip of it after, I think, a month, like after December. But yeah, still nonstick. Very nice. So I've got 4 meatballs here that are gonna become smash burgers. So today I'm using this nice organic grass-fed ground beef. Came out to, I think, $5 a pound, which is awesome. I also ended up making a little sweet potato side here. Just roasted them in the oven with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Approximately a quarter pound each. Should be pretty good. I'm actually going to lower the right side for the bread we have. But since the left side is starting to smoke, I think we're ready for the patties. Very plain burgers, but should be good regardless. All right. Got my trusty burger press here. Need a nice little smush down. I do plan on trimming this footage a little bit less than I would with my ASMR Blackstone series. Hopefully these shrink down to the size of the sourdough bread we have today. I'm actually gonna go wash my hands really fast. I was so preoccupied with another setup that I forgot to salt these burgers. And then for the bread, I'll get some butter down here. This is a much easier method of trying to butter the bread itself. So essentially, I guess it's literally just kind of like a grilled cheese. Grilled cheese with a burger stuffed in the middle. Looking pretty dang good. Ooh, it's a little chilly out here. The sun during the day always throws me off because it looks like it's a nice day, but then you come outside and it's freezing. I am doing this at night though, so I should have known. Got that nice outdoor kitchen light right there. See that nice Maillard reaction in the this little section right here. I think we can actually flip very soon. Let's check how this is toasting up. Just a little bit more time. I think I needed a little bit more butter because that looks barely buttered. Let's go ahead and give these guys a flip though. Oh yeah. That crust is exactly what you want to see. Very nice. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more butter over here to the other side. Give all these guys a cool little flip. I'm hoping the bread can handle these patties. Soak up all that good butter here. And I think it's time for cheese. Wouldn't be a patty melt with a little bit of extra cheese. I think we're good here. These patties look really good though, wow. And it looks like they're the perfect size for the bread. Calculated. Get on there. Oh. Alright. There we go. Which one do you guys think I should have? I think I want the middle one. I wish I had a proper steam dome so I could melt this cheese very quickly. All right. Honestly looks very basic, because it is, but this Maillard reaction here, you can just barely hear that. Nice amount of gooey cheese. You could definitely upgrade this with some caramelized onions for sure. But I'm gonna take a quick little bite here just to see how it is right after it's off the griddle. First, POV patty melt going in. Wow. Wow, dude. That came out extremely good. Bread is not too dry. It's a perfect toast. Juiciness from all the cheese and that nice beef. Very good. Definitely going to be repeating this with some onions next time. I'm going to get this griddle cleaned up really quick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would totally be down for any recommendations on what you guys would want to see a POV view of in terms of meals. But yeah, thank you, and I'll see you next time.